Today we want to talk to you about our free workshops. How can you get information and how Origin can assist you with whatever financial need you are looking for. Introduction to Homeownership. That workshop is on the first and third Thursdays at 6 o'clock, and it's virtually. That workshop is for those who are interested in purchasing your home, refinancing a home, or learning how Origin can assist you with information related to your debt, your credit, loan products, realtor, or lending products. We also have our credit improvement workshop. That workshop is on the second and fourth Thursday at 6 o'clock. It is virtual, and that workshop gives you points on how to improve your credit. We also have our one-on-one credit counseling and to enroll into our housing department. One-on-one credit counseling gives you that individualized attention that you may need to assist you with improving your credit, looking in your debt, helping you budget, looking at those expenses. That's where we assist you individually. Our first time home buyer workshop HUD certificate is where you obtain an 8-hour HUD certificate, usually for your lender or for your broker. And that workshop is currently virtually through eHomes. Now, all of what we are providing you is to start you in a way that will be able to get you going and motivate you in each direction. We also have other products that we are able to assist you with, such as student loans. We also have bankruptcy, foreclosure prevention. You may contact us to ask information about how we could assist you in those areas as well. We want to kind of do a little question and answer to kind of get you familiar with some of the questions and the answers that may come about.
First question. How can you help me buy a home?
How can I assist you with purchasing a home? Origin can assist you with purchasing a home by being an advocate for you, by looking more so into your individualized situation, whether it's your income, your debt, your credit, and helping you to knock out any of those barriers that will hinder you from getting a pre-approval.
Okay. Next question. What do my credit score have to look like in order for me to purchase this home?
Great question. Your credit score is, you get 3 credit scores from all 3 credit bureaus. So we teach you how to look at your credit score from a mid-score FICO score standpoint. That is where we encourage you to enroll in our credit improvement workshop. We look at what's an excellent credit score, what's a good credit score, what's a fair credit score, and what's a bad credit score. And we give you those points as to what is in and how it's important to improve your credit on an individualized basis.
Okay. And my last question, how long is it going to take me to buy my home?
Good question. Everybody wants to know what's their timeline. Each individual timeline is totally different. It may take you 6 months. It may take someone else a year. But we dive more so too in where you are in the pipeline. And we develop goals in a time frame based on what's a time for you, based upon your income, based upon your credit, based upon your debts, based upon the goals that we set. And then we go from there. So, just to sum it all up, make sure you stay in contact with us by calling 843-628-3000. We do recommend and encourage you to log onto our free workshops. You will be so excited and happy that you did. And there we'll be able to answer questions and get you where you need to be one step at a time. Thank you.
Thank you.